Are you looking for the best online jobs that actually pay? Let me share some with you that you can start today. Guys, the internet is a freaking gold mine, and if you're not using it to your advantage, you will be working a soul-sucking job until you're 70. If we haven't met, my name is Natanya, and I've been where you are, searching for jobs online that are flexible, pay well, and don't require a ton of experience. I found a few that work, and that can actually change your life if you let it. So first up, we have freelance writing. If you love writing and have a knack for storytelling, this is a great way for you to make money online. You can start on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr and work your way up to higher paying gigs. Next, virtual assistants. Businesses everywhere require admin tasks, social media, customer support. If you organize and have good multitasking skills, this is the perfect job for you. And then there's digital marketing. Now, this is where I found my stride with a done-for-you automated sales system. You can work 2 hours a day, even if you have no tech skills or experience, and it's a powerful way to earn $100 to $900 daily online, and you can work on your own terms. Now, I know it can be very overwhelming to start something new, especially if you don't have a following or any experience, and over here, you don't need any of that. You need a laptop, Wi-Fi, and a willingness to learn. With the right tools, resources, and support, you can do this. It is literally step by step. So if you are ready to explore digital marketing, drop ready in the comments and I will get you started.